Round of applause, the host team Manipur. The flag bearer is N. Roshibina Devi, a wushu player, a bronze medalist at the 18th Asian Games, Jakarta, Indonesia, a gold medalist in the 9th Asian Junior Wushu Championship, Korea, and also bronze medalist at the 6th World Junior Wushu Championship. N. Roshibina Devi leading the team of the host Manipur. Ladies and gentlemen,
Wushu Sanaroy and Rosivina Debina flag Pairaduna Sang Selakli saluting Besu Yoshin Kre Manipur contingent.
Hello. Hello.
loisalakpo na lang sinbir bagway tarana aho ba kuba amutang ga host Manipur gidamag. Ladies and gentlemen, this is for your kind information that the 5-day sporting extravaganza will be telecasted live on DDK Imphal, Doordarshan Kendra Imphal. A reminder once again, ladies and gentlemen, the 5-day sporting extravaganza, the first Northeast Olympic Games, will be telecast live on Doordarshan Kendra Imphal exclusively.
Ngasidagi hogduna haibadi October gi tarik kunga mari ngasi asimaktagi hauraga October gi tarik kunga nipan phauba numit mangani chupna sathagadoriba Manipur na yumbu oiriba first Northeast Olympic Game lising ani taraga nipan asigi live telecast ki thauram Doordarshan Kendra Imphal DDK Imphal na thauram sing asi leptana haubudagi na loiba phauba sandok chagadori sandok pasu Aikoi Hokre Nasigi opening Tauramasi, Hokdopagi Tauramasi, Aikoi DDK Infana, live telecast, Pijari.
Also, yes, this very event, the opening ceremony is being live streamed on Studio Dominance, that's the YouTube channel, Studio Dominance, Tauramasi, YouTube Kikuthangda, Studio Dominance Kikuthangda, Hausi Mag, live Sandoktuna, Miyeng Tahanjari. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a reminder that the 5-day sporting extravaganza of First Northeast Olympic Games will be telecast live on Doordarshan Kendra Imphal. This very event, the opening ceremony of the Games, is also being live streamed on Studio Dominance YouTube channel.
Around 2,000 sportsmen from the 7 sister states of the Northeast India will be participating in this ongoing first Northeast Olympic Game 2018. The sports event will be held at Lampak Sports Complex, DM Kales Indoor Stadium, and also at Eastern Ground Wankai. Total of 12 different events will be played by the sportsman. Total of 12 different events will be played by the sportsman in this first noticed Olympic Game 2018.
With that, may I ask for a thunderous round of applause for all the athletes from 8 states of Northeast. Ladies and gentlemen, as we have seen the athletes assembled in the center of the ground, we will now have the flag hoisting of Northeast Olympic Association and the flag of Manipur Olympic Association by the Chief Guest, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Sri N. Biren Singh, and the President of Manipur Olympic Association and the President of the Organizing Committee, Sri T.H. Radhesham.
Mathang ngasidi aykhoy ngasi ahanba Northeast Olympic Game 2019 hogdokpagi flag hoisting gi ceremony adu koi thamjari. Flag asi chingkhat pinabagi damakta ikai khumnajariba Manipur gi Mukhya Mantri Sri Nongthombam Biren Singh bu nolokna ningsingjari. Northeast Olympic Association amasung Manipur Olympic Association gi firal asi chingkhat pinabagi damakta ikai khumnajariba Manipur gi Mukhya Mantri Sri Nongthombam Biren Singh bu nolokna ningsingjari.
The flag of Northeast Olympic Association and the flag of Manipur Olympic Association, the symbol of sportsmanship, is being hoisted by the Chief Guest, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Sri N. Biren Singh, and the President of Manipur Olympic Association, Sri T.H. Radhesham.
In order to promote and nurture education in the areas of sports sciences, sports technology, sports management, and sports coaching, and other areas related to the development of sports and camps, a national sports university has been established in our state, Manipur. Ngasigi ahanba Northeast Olympic Game 2019 hogdokpagi aykhoigi flag hogdokpagi thorom asigi flag hoisting gi thorom asi aykoi lotion jakhrabagi tungsida ikai khomnajariba aykhoigi dignitary sing chief guest president loingena guest of honor sing phampham langda amukhana lingsin binaba nolokchari.
Ladies and gentlemen, after hoisting the Northeast Olympic Association and Manipur Olympic Association flags, we will now proceed and present the opening song of the opening ceremony to be presented by Apunba Matam Isai Kanglup.
Mathang asidi aykhoy mayam puna amok midyeng taminasi Apunba Matam Isai Kanglup Samna Amik Hariba Aming Lairaba Manipur gi Matam Isai Kanglupas na sakpa aykhoy hogdoki say opening song khoy mayam puna mok midyeng taminasi.
Check. Hello, check. 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 Check, check. Kita ngomong. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Check. Check 1.
Hello, hello. Check 2.
Hello. Check 3.
2.
Check 4. Check 3. Check 3.
Go.
3, 3. Check 4. Check, hello. Check.
Hello.
Check 4. Check 3.
Check.
3, 3.
The opening song
Hello,
is
hello.
composed by W. Sampson,
Hello, hello, hello.
and the
Hello, 2.
lyricist is penned down by renowned Narendra Ningomba.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, hello.
Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello.
Check, check.
3, 3.
Hojik mayamgi maphamda nanthok chagadoriba isay asi Narendra Ningombagi mayekta W. Samshanda puthokpa compose tawba adugumba isay ni theme song ni koi mayam puna yeng taminasi.
Hello, hello. Hello. Hello, hello, hello.
I need some mangzong da masana kayada Sendong da mangzong da masana kayada
A wonderful theme song of first Northeast Olympic Games, Northeast Olympic Games, written by Narendra Ningomba and composed by W. Sampson. In the meantime, ladies and gentlemen, we also have the coach of the game already inside the stadium.
Lakle Olympic Game, listing ani taragani pan hay na sehoba isayama, ikoy mayam punna. Minyang dami na kre, yam na magpukning huba pazarabay say ni punang magputagachari.
Ladies and gentlemen, we can now see that the international player, archery player, Bombaila, is with the torch. She is a three-time Olympian and Arjun awardee. We also have Oinam Bembem Devi, a renowned footballer from the state, who is also urgent awardee from among the torchbearer today. We also have Wangkim Sandhyarani Devi, an Wusu player in Wusu Sansho, an urgent awardee in 2011. We also have Mayang Lamam Bimoljit Singh, a Wusu player, an urgent awardee in 2012 from amongst the torchbearer of the game. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment. This is the torch symbolizing the sportsmanship being lit, marking the herald of the first Northeast Olympic Games here in Manipur. Ladies and gentlemen, in a stadium and the athletes gathered in the ground, please give a big round of applause for the torch being lit, heralding the first Northeast Games, Olympic Games. Okay, this is just a reminder that we also have Dinku, the boxer, and G. Sonia from among the torchbearer. Thanks to all the urgent awardees for the torch lighting. We will now proceed to the next item of the opening ceremony. For the welcome address, may I now request the Secretary of Organizing Committee, First Northeast Olympic Games 2018, Sri Sunil Elangbam.
Good afternoon, everyone present here. On behalf of the organizing committee of the first Northeast Olympic Games 2018 at Infal, I extend my sincere and hearty welcome to our Honorable Prime Minister of the country, who has conveyed a message of which I am reading out now. Our Honorable Prime Minister's message is, I am pleased to learn that the first Northeast Olympic Games 2018 is being organized at Infal during the 24th and 28th October 2018 to promote sports in the region. Northeast holds immense promise for its sports potentials, and the players from the region have been bringing laurels to the nation in multiple disciplines at various international arenas. Sports are a great medium of unifier and a means of self-exploration. I hope that the first Northeast Olympic Games at Infal will be a productive platform for all the participants to showcase their talents and will be a unique forum to highlight the sporting spirit of the region. My best wishes to the participants to bring out their best performance and make the games an unforgettable event for the whole region. This was the message from our Honorable Prime Minister of the country, Sri Narendra Modi ji. So with this, I, on behalf of the organizing committee, express Sri N. Biren, Honorable Chief Minister Manipur, and the chief guest of today's opening function of the first Northeast Olympic Games 2018. Honorable Sir, you have made us proud by your presence, by giving your valuable time with distinguished support and assistance in hosting the first Northeast Olympic Games 2018 here in the capital city of Imphal. Our honorable chief guest is a person who always ready to walk extra miles in the deployment of state by various programs. Sir, we honestly welcome you. I also extend my hearty welcome to Sri T.S. Radhesam Singh, Chairman Organizing Committee, First Northeast Olympic Games 2018, and the President Manipur Olympic Association, as well as Honorable Minister of Education Manipur. Under his able leadership, the MOA has been able to take a final decision to organize this mega event from today at this historic Khuman Lampak Sport Complex, Imphal, where the 5th edition of National Games was held in 1999. With our sincere gratitude, we welcome you, sir. We also welcome Honorable Minister Dr. Mahesh Chai, Agriculture, Animal Husbandry Department, Fisheries, Sports and Youth Affairs of Arunachal Pradesh, Sri L. Jayant Kumar Singh, Honorable Minister, Health, Arts and Culture, Manipur, Sri Lepao Haukip, Honorable Minister, Youth Affairs and Sports and Water Resources, Manipur, for their kind presence in today's opening ceremony, from the depth of our heart for your encouragement and support in the first Northeast Olympic Games 2018 at Imphal. We all also welcome Sri B.K. Roka, President Sikkim Olympic Association, also founder President of the Northeast Olympic Association, and other members for their kind presence in today's opening ceremony, as well as long cherished dream of the State Olympic Association of the region comes true. The President and Secretary of the National Sports Federation who are present here, sir, we welcome you for your guidance and suggestion in the successful conduct of the first Northeast Olympic Games 2018 in Fall. The President and the Secretary and other functionaries of the State Olympic Association of the Northeast, sir, on behalf of the organizing committee, extend our hearty welcome to all of you for your kind presence. Respected Sir, Sri Suresh Babu, Chief Secretary, LM Khaukte, DGP, Manipur, Anthony Sile, Director, Northeastern Council, Shillong, Head of Department of various departments and various officials, Government of Manipur for extending financial assistance and support so as to enable us to host this mega sporting event. We welcome all the donors, sponsors, and other organizations who have extended various support in case or kind for enabling us to host this historic mega sporting events. Their participants, including team officials and technical officials from 8 sister states of the Northeast India who have come all the long way for participation in this event, made us proud to all of you. We welcome honestly your spirit in participation in such games. I, on behalf of the organizing committee, extend my hearty welcome to all the members of the organizing committee, chairmen and the members of the various subcommittees, including core committees, members who have rendered tireless services in day and night to bring proud to host this mega sporting event at Imphal, the capital city of Manipur. Lastly, we welcome media friends, colorful cultural troops, artists, band parties, etc., etc. With these few words, I salute one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, Secretary Sri Sunil Langbam, Secretary, Manipur Olympic Association, for your warm welcome address. Next, we have speech by the chief guest. I would like to request Sri Nongtombam Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, to give the speech.
Good evening to all. Shri T.I.S. Radhesham Singh, Chairman, Organizing Committee, President, Manipur Olympic Association, and Honorable Ministers, Education, Government of Manipur, Dr. Mohesh Sai, Honorable Minister, Sports and Youth Affairs of Arunachal Pradesh, Sri L. Jayant Kumar, Honorable Minister Health and Family Welfare, Government of Manipur, Sri Latpao Haukiv, Honorable Minister Youth Affairs and Sports, other dignitaries in the dais, Secretary, All Manipur Olympic Association, Sri Sunil, distinguished invitees, athlete and a sports person from various northeast states, friends from India, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I welcome you all here in the sports capital city of India, in Manipur. The northeast of India has a distinct identity with similar cultures and features. This region bordering Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Bangladesh, bridges Southeast Asia, and is full of human and natural potential and capacities which is not yet fully tapped. In the past, the socio-economic and the geographical realities and the challenges have subdued the speed of progress and the growth in the region. In the past, we as a region have not been able to conceptually integrate emotionally, socially, or economically. It has been a long, serious dream of the region to create a platform to bring peace and a friendship through sports. The talent pool in the region is tremendous, and we as a region have huge potential in sports and in all other aspects and fields. Numerous sports persons from Manipur and other northeast states of India have done their state and country proud with various achievements in the regional, national, and international level sports event. With new opportunities presented by professional and commercial league and a championship, sports have become an increasingly aspirational career option and present tremendous potential for the young and talented in the region. While a lot has been achieved, a lot more needs to be done to optimally utilize and unlock the full potential of the talent in the region. This will require a collaborative and a cooperative approach between the stakeholders and the state in the region. We need to pool in our limited resource, share our experience and expertise to produce the best of sportspersons from the region. In this context, following a joint meeting of the Northeast Olympic Association at Imphal on July 24, 2017, it was decided to organize a Northeast Sports Meet as a first step under the name and style of Northeast Olympic Games. We are extremely happy to have about 2,000 sportspersons, including officials in this edition in Imphal, competing in 12 sport disciplines during the 5 days long event. Organizing such an event at this scale requires a significant amount of finance. Given the limited resource of the Manipur Olympic Association, it had requested the NEC Shillong for financial assistance. I am grateful to NEC for having granted a sum of rupees 20 lakhs for organizing the event. To extend additional support to the Manipur Olympic Association for organizing the games, my government, through the Youth Affairs and the Sports Department of Manipur, has accorded sanction for a sum of rupees 50 lakhs only. To conclude, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome all the visiting dignitaries, sportspersons, and officials from different states of the Northeast. I also wish them